It was one of the possible casualties of the passage of Hurricane Melissa. The schoolboy football season, especially the DaCosta Cup competition. These players and coaches been working long and hard for many months. Some of the players are in their last year at school. And with only 4 teams from Western Jamaica still in the DaCosta Cup, no matter how bad the physical and psychological scars suffered by the players, their family, friends, and communities, stopping the competition would make matters worse for these players. Put it this way, a youth whose space and meds were damaged by Melissa, what would be better therapy for his recovery? Sitting in some rubble, wallowing in sorrow, or playing the game we assume he still loves? I rest my case by saying my declared bias was always to find a way to play.